Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tisha Isabella. As you can tell with this wig on my head, I'm about to install it. This is that braid wig that I reviewed not too long ago from Amazon. It was like $130, something like that, $129.99. But yeah, I'm about to install it for y'all. I'm gonna be installing it with the Got the Glue spray because I'm gonna take it right back out. This is just for y'all. I'm gonna put my straight wig back on for class tomorrow. So yeah. But yeah, get into this wig. It's giving very much scalp. When I put my color foundation on this, it's gonna blend in so well. It's gonna look like my scalp, literally. The hair is 38 inches. It's very thick and full. It's heavy, but it's not heavy. It's like, you know, a little heavy. It's not that much heavy. But yeah, let's get on into this install. Then they did the baby hairs like this. So it should be a really quick install. So yeah, let's go. And like I said, I'm just gonna be using my Got to Be Glue spray. I'm not gonna keep it on long, but this is content purposes. Trying to get this hair out my face so I can actually glue the wig down, because there's a lot going on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace because it is to my ears. Keep in mind that I didn't bleach the knots and I also didn't pluck no edges, so nothing came like this. Now I'm going to place my elastic band on for a little minute just to let it melt. I haven't done a freeze spray install in a while, but this is actually laid. Got my lace laying down really good. So I already know I'm gonna do a side part with this look. Well, I'm gonna do like around the face, over the forehead, side to the side. I don't know how to explain it for braids or whatever, but that's how I'm gonna do it. You can use any type of mousse, and I use my Got to Be Glue gel to lay my baby hairs. I'm not leaving this wig on long right now, but I will put it back on because it turned out really cute. The style was really cute and it looked really natural. So I will put it back on afterwards, but I really just wanted to give y'all some content. Maybe if I bleached the knots, it would have looked better, but I have to do that another day. But this actually isn't that bad. Because what I was gonna do is bring it. And I was gonna add foundation to that later. I just wanted to get that to blend. I forgot to cut the lace off in the back, so my bad, but y'all know when you cut it off, you won't be able to see it. Yeah, when I get more time, I'm gonna try this weekend to redo it, to really pluck the edges. I didn't do nothing. I really just put the wig on as it is and glued it down just to see how it would look. And I think if I did the baby hairs right and put the foundation, the rest of the foundation up there, because I put the foundation up here, but still has like a harsh line right there, but I probably can lay it down with the milk band. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Give me feedback on this. I know I didn't do my best work. Don't be going hard on me in the comments. But I am going to redo it and pluck the baby hairs and stuff and get it right. And see how it could really look. But y'all, I have class tomorrow. And I be drained. But I'm really trying to keep this content. So just don't be hard on me. But yeah. Yeah, I should definitely go get this wig.